So you want to start a coffee business in Uganda. Starting a coffee exporting business in Uganda requires several steps and considerations. At first, you will want to conduct market research. You want to research the coffee industry in general and in Uganda and identify potential buyers, competitors, and market trends. You want to get registered. Register your business with the Uganda Registration Services Bureau and obtain a tax identification number. You will also need to register with the Uganda Coffee Development Authority as a coffee exporter. You want to establish relationships with suppliers. This will take work. Identify reliable suppliers of high quality coffee beans in Uganda, or you can be your own supplier and buy land to build up your coffee plantation. This can bypass building strong relationships with other suppliers so that you can essentially be your own supplier for the coffee you'll be exporting. You'll also need to obtain licenses and permits. You will need to obtain export licenses and permits from UCDA and other relevant government agencies before you can ship coffee out of the country. Consider whether you'll be selling sacks of coffee beans to businesses or direct to consumer for your coffee. Set up logistics, arrange for transportation, warehousing, and other logistics involved in exporting coffee. Identify reliable shipping companies or freight forwarders to transport your coffee to international markets. Marketing your business will require you to develop a marketing plan to promote your coffee exporting business. You might want to attend trade shows, participate in industry events, and leverage digital marketing channels to reach potential customers. And all through this process, you will need to comply with international standards. Ensure that your coffee meets international quality and safety standards. Obtain certification from organizations like Fair Trade or Rainforest Alliance to demonstrate your commitment to ethical and sustainable practices. Starting a coffee exporting business in Uganda can be a lucrative venture, but it requires careful planning, market research, and compliance with relevant regulations. It's advisable to seek the advice of a lawyer, accountant, or business consultant with experience in the coffee industry to help you navigate the process. So good luck on your journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video.